The CORSAIR 5000D sets a new standard for PC cases, combining sleek design with exceptional cooling capabilities. If you're looking for a case that's not only a visual centerpiece but also built to keep your components running cool, this one deserves a closer look. Its minimalist steel front panel offers both durability and a sharp, clean look. Beyond aesthetics, dedicated ventilation channels ensure steady airflow, so your system stays cool even under heavy loads. That means better performance and longer hardware life. One of the standout features is the CORSAIR RapidRoute cable management system. It streamlines your build by routing all major cables through a single hidden channel behind the motherboard. With a hinged door and 25 mm of extra space, organizing cables becomes quick and hassle-free, giving your setup a clean, professional finish. The 5000D comes with two CORSAIR 120 mm airguide fans that use anti-vortex vanes to focus airflow precisely where it's needed. This design boosts cooling efficiency, helping your PC run quieter and cooler without extra effort on your part. Flexibility is key here. The motherboard tray supports customizable fan mounts, allowing you to side mount up to 3 120 mm fans or a full 360 mm radiator. This means you can tailor your cooling setup exactly how you want it, whether you're air cooling or using liquid cooling. Users rave about the spacious interior and airflow. One reviewer, returning to PC building after nearly 2 decades, praised the 5000D for its roomy design and ease of modification. With 4 additional Noctua fans added alongside the stock CORSAIR fans, they found upgrading and rearranging components straightforward and stress-free. This case isn't just about looks, it's about making your build experience smoother and your system more efficient. If you want a case that combines style, space, and superior cooling options, the CORSAIR 5000D is worth considering. If you're ready to build or upgrade your PC with a case that supports high airflow, excellent cable management, and flexible cooling, the 5000D is a solid choice. Try it when you're ready and see how it transforms your build process.